The closest thing Porsche has to a real-time machine today lives inside its Sonderwunsch Special Request Division. For owners with the means and the patience, Porsche can take an existing vehicle and return it to a true zero-kilometer condition with every mechanical detail documented as if the car had just left the factory. That is exactly what happened with this 2005 Carrera GT, a V10 supercar that is now mechanically reborn after more than 20 years. This process is known internally as a factory recommission project. The car is completely disassembled, inspected, rebuilt, and reassembled by Porsche technicians using factory procedures and original specifications. Every major system is addressed, from the suspension and drivetrain to the engine and electronics. The result is a Carrera GT that drives, feels, and performs as it did when new. While the mechanical side returns to factory fresh condition, the exterior tells a very different story. The owner requested a full visual transformation inspired by Porsche racing history. The silver finish was replaced with a bold red and white livery, paying tribute to the legendary Porsche 917 that won the 1970 24 Hours of Le Mans. The race car carried the number 23 and proudly represented the Austrian city of Salzburg. Those historic colors have been precisely recreated on this Carrera GT. The paintwork is hand-finished and protected by a clear foil because this car is meant to be driven, not hidden away. Rather than treating it as a static investment, the owner plans to enjoy it on the road exactly as Porsche intended. Additional exterior details help set this car apart. Matte black carbon fiber accents add contrast throughout the body, while the number 23 appears proudly on the doors. The engine cover grills are finished in matte black anodized metal, matching the black wheels and reinforcing the motorsport-inspired theme. Inside, the transformation continues with a cabin that feels both dramatic and personal. Red Alcantara covers the dashboard, doors, steering wheel, and center console, creating a warm and immersive environment. The attention to detail even extends to the front trunk, where a matching luggage set completes the look. Porsche also blended materials from its more modern Halo cars. Certain surfaces use black textile borrowed from the 918 Spider, while matte carbon fiber appears on the seat shells, instrument panel, and air vents. The result is an interior that feels timeless while still hinting at Porsche's future. Only 1,270 Carrera GT models were built between the fall of 2003 and May of 2006. At launch, the car carried a price of €452,690 in Germany and $440,000 in the United States. Porsche has not disclosed the cost of this full factory recommission and customization, but projects of this level are known to reach deep into seven-figure territory. This Carrera GT proves that true passion goes beyond preservation. It is about connection, history, and driving experience.